8 tiny puppies. Hidden inside a wall, vertical bar, full story. I never expected to find anything that morning. But then, something caught my eye. There was movement coming from a small opening in an old wall. At first, I thought there were only 2, maybe 3 puppies hiding inside. When I looked closer, I couldn't believe what I was seeing. There were 8 tiny puppies, all squeezed together inside a narrow cavity in the wall. They didn't make a sound. They simply watched me, waiting to see what I would do next. At first, the puppies were terrified. For stray puppies, hiding is often their only chance of staying alive. Life on the streets teaches them to fear almost everything. Without their mother nearby, they depended on each other for warmth, comfort, and protection. Every step I took toward them, they moved farther back into the wall. Their eyes weren't filled with anger. They were filled with uncertainty. They simply didn't know whether another human could be trusted. I knew forcing them out would only make things worse, so instead, I sat quietly a few yards away. Sometimes, the best rescue begins with patience. I gave them time to watch me, to realize that I wasn't a threat. After several quiet minutes, I prepared some food. The scent slowly drifted toward them. One tiny puppy peeked outside. Then, another. Then, another. Little by little, curiosity began replacing fear. For hungry puppies, hunger is often stronger than fear. The moment they realized the food was safe, everything changed. One puppy rushed forward. The others quickly followed. Within seconds, all 8 puppies gathered around the food. Watching them eat reminded me how little they truly needed. A simple meal, fresh water, a safe place, and someone willing to be patient. Sometimes, that's enough to completely change an animal's day. Young puppies need much more than food to survive. Without proper nutrition, their immune systems weaken quickly. Without clean drinking water, even mild dehydration can become dangerous. Life as a stray puppy is unpredictable. Finding food is difficult. Finding safety is even harder. And finding someone they can finally trust may be the hardest part of all. they finished eating, everything began to change. The fear slowly disappeared. Instead of hiding, the puppies started walking toward me. One gently sniffed my hand. Another wagged its tiny tail. Only a short time earlier, they had been hiding deep inside the wall. Now, they were running, playing, chasing one another, and even following me around. It was incredible how quickly kindness and patience transformed their behavior. Sometimes, animals don't need much to believe in people again. They simply need one reason: to stop being afraid. Watching those 8 puppies playing together made me wonder, how many more are still out there, hidden, forgotten, waiting for someone to notice them? Every stray puppy has a story. Some are lucky enough to be found. Many never are. A single act of compassion may seem small, but for an abandoned animal, it can mean the difference between fear and hope. What you saw today may look like a simple feeding, but in reality, small moments like these can make a huge difference. Here, on this channel, we simply do what we can, one rescue at a time. If you ever find stray puppies, please don't chase them. Don't force them out of hiding. Speak softly. Move slowly. Offer fresh water if it's safe to do so. And if they're injured or in immediate danger, contact a local veterinarian or animal rescue organization whenever possible. Remember, the greatest rescues often begin with patience. Before we finish, thank you for spending this journey with these 8 beautiful puppies. Moments like these remind me why I continue making these videos. Spending time with these little souls is something I genuinely enjoy. I know that some people believe I'm simply filming animals for views. They're free to have their opinion, but my hope is that these videos inspire more kindness, more compassion, and more awareness for abandoned animals everywhere. If time allows in the future, I'd love to visit even more rural areas, to tell the stories of animals that too often go unseen, because every one of them deserves to be noticed. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 8 puppies stole your heart first? If you enjoyed this rescue story, please leave a like, subscribe to Paw Rescue Academy, and join us as we continue giving abandoned animals the second chance they deserve. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next rescue story.